If you're looking for the biggest Bluehost coupon code discount available right now, this is the exact tool you want to use. Right now, Bluehost is offering an exclusive discount of up to 78% off web hosting, plus a free domain name on annual plans, special pricing lower than going directly to the website. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to get the Bluehost discount, which plan you should choose, how to get the lowest possible price, and which term gives you the biggest savings. Let's get started. To claim this exclusive Bluehost coupon code discount, go down to the description below and click the special link I provided. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, which means I earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You'll still get the lowest pricing available, often even lower than going directly to the Bluehost website. Once you click the link, you'll land on the exclusive discount page. Click the Get Started button, and you'll see the available hosting plans. Personal plan, this is the cheapest option and is ideal if you're starting one website, blog, or personal brand. Right now, the personal plan is starting as low as $199 per month, up to 78% off. If you're a beginner and just need one website, this is usually the best value. Starter plan. The starter plan is great if you want more flexibility and room to grow. Right now, the starter plan is starting as low as $299 per month, up to 70% off. This is a smart option if you want more resources and a plan you can scale with. eCommerce Essentials plan. If you want to sell products online, build an online store, or accept payments, this is the best option. Right now, the eCommerce Essentials plan is starting as low as $699 per month, up to 68% off. This plan is built for people who are serious about e-commerce. Which billing term gives the biggest discount? After choosing your plan, you'll select a billing term. The available terms are 4-year, 3-year, 2-year, 1-year, monthly. If you want the lowest monthly price, the 3-year or 4-year term usually gives the best overall discount. If you choose monthly billing, you'll pay more per month. You get a free domain name on annual plans, which means 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year. If you choose the monthly term, you do not get a free domain name. So if you want the best value, I recommend choosing an annual plan. My recommendation, if you're starting a normal website or blog, go with the personal plan. If you want more flexibility, go with starter. If you're building an online store, choose eCommerce Essentials. If you're ready to get started, click the exclusive discount link in the description, choose your plan, select the 3-year or 4-year term for the lowest price, claim your free domain on annual plans. That's how you get the biggest Bluehost coupon code discount available right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.